Hello people of the internet, my name is Jackson, and man, it is a beautiful day here today. And why am I even wearing this jacket? Okay, I'm gonna change in now. That was a pretty cool effect that I did right there, huh? So we all know that kit lenses are okay, I guess. It depends on which camera manufacturer you buy it from, or how expensive the camera is, or, you know, it just depends on a lot of things. But to be honest, they're really not even that good. What if I told you I found a really good kit lens, like possibly the best on a mirrorless camera? You see, when I got my Panasonic G85, I thought they were gonna include something like the 14 and 42 millimeter, which is a pretty decent overall start-off lens, but it's really not that good unless you're doing, you know, very basic things. But that's not the case. I mean, they were including a $500 kit lens for $100 extra with the body. I mean, like what? I know, I couldn't believe it. This was an insane deal to pick up, and I had no regrets at all. Anyway, let's get back to the actual review. So the design / build quality of this is actually really great, and that's coming from a lot of Panasonic camera products, with maintaining the premium aluminum body with still retaining the ultra rugged strength. Seriously, I've been stupid enough to drop this thing like 5 times already, and it's shown only a few scratches here and there. The lens is pretty lightweight, rated at 210 grams, which is surprising since it is a zoom lens, but that's to be expected because the camera has a smaller micro four thirds sensor. It still keeps that little heft to it though, but it does help when it comes to the grip in the long run. Oh, and it's also weather sealed, so it's fine if you take it out on a rainy day. The specifications are pretty simple. You've got a focal length from 12 to 60 and an aperture from f3.5 to f5.6. With that f3.5 aperture, you won't get the best depth of field possible, but it certainly shows in scenarios like close-ups. You also won't get the best low light possible, but it performs decently up until the evening. I wouldn't recommend shooting at night though without some light, since it will produce a lot of noise because of that sensor. Bokeh is also achievable on this lens, but like I said, you won't always get the best results. I'd say it's pretty decent. What really appeals to the mind on this test is the image stabilization. So what's pretty cool is you've got the stabilization built into the lens, and also with the G85 you get the in-body image stabilization, so you pretty much got this dual stabilizing system, which will give you pretty good results in the long run. And in my testing scenarios, the footage turned out actually really great, with only a few shakes here and there that could be fixed up in Premiere with a warp stabilizer. Just as long as you're not getting anything super fast-paced, the results come out crisp and clean. I would end up just using manual focus for most situations because it's, you know, pretty much the better route when it comes to focusing on this type of system. Anyway, is this lens a viable option? Yes, I think it is a viable option for, you know, a substantial amount of people. It does have some drawbacks, like, you know, the average aperture and, you know, kind of the poor autofocusing system, but that's just Panasonic anyway. But it's actually a really good deal for what you're going for. If you're picking up the Panasonic G85 soon, I recommend you so much to get this lens. Like, it is a steal. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please sure to like and comment on each of these videos. That would be very appreciated. And remember to subscribe. As well, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter to get insights on the newest content that I'm going to do. See you guys in the next one. Peace.